First time home buyer advice, tip number 11. So I weave this into a lot of my longer videos, but I'm just going to say it bluntly. Do not call an 800 number to get your loan. Don't do it. You're going to be working with a call center. If you just fill out an application at xyz.com, you are going to be getting what we know as a call center loan officer. These are loan officers that are not as experienced. They're not as vested in your long-term happiness because their entire job is just answering the phone when it rings. They get paid less. And you may go, why do I care what a loan officer gets paid? Well, here's the thing. A lot of times people go, well, the loan officer gets paid less, or there's some companies that go, we don't have loan officers. And so you go, oh, so I'll get a better rate. I'll get a better deal. No, you don't. You pay the same rate. You pay the same fees. You just get someone less experienced guiding you through the biggest financial decision of your life. I cannot stress it enough. Do not use a call center. You know, I get so many calls from people where they're like, Jen, I'm in trouble. I need help. I've watched all your videos. And I'm like, who are you working with? And they tell me, and I'm like, how did you miss? How did you miss in every video that I told you guys, do not do this, you know, and we save the day. But guys, seriously, I cannot stress it enough. Call centers, I would never in a million years do a loan through a call center.